The northernmost stretch of Thailand's border with Myanmar is a natural one, the Doi Nong Nong mountain range. While the landscape might be beautiful, it makes it difficult for Thai Army patrols to search for migrants crossing illegally. With concern growing over Myanmar's increase in COVID-19 cases, those patrols have grown bigger and more frequent. This says the number of migrants attempting to cross has surged over the last several weeks. Thailand has been much more successful in controlling COVID-19 and has better health care. The Thai border areas are on high alert. Many of the crossings take place at night, making it easier to avoid being caught, but also increasing the danger. One of those migrants who risked the night crossing, a mother of two, in Thailand illegally, were hiding her face. Anne used to sort avocados on the Thai side of the border, but in May she sneaked back into Myanmar to see her mother before she died. She returned to her house a few weeks ago. It's been tense with her Thai neighbors since. She says they treat her like a disease and informed local authorities that she returned.
Everybody is scared of it, but it was absolutely necessary for us to come back. I was prepared to notify the local health volunteers and the head of the village.
It was along this stretch of the Sai River that serves as the border that Anne and her daughter snuck back into Thailand. Because of monsoonal rains, it was swollen and fast-moving. Her daughter had to ride on the shoulders of someone who was crossing at the same time. It's not just Anne's neighborhood. One group that works with migrants is also seeing cases of locals alerting authorities about people who have crossed illegally.
If they come into the community after illegally crossing and people see them, they will notify immigration. They don't care.
There's only a trickle of cargo passing through the usually bustling Mae Sai border post. Since the rapid spread in Myanmar, more precautions have been put in place at the official crossing.
We coordinate with the Department of Disease Control to intensify the checking of cargo vehicles and their drivers.
But as the situation worsens in Myanmar, people seeking safety and better health care will continue to take the risk and cross over any way they can. Scott Heidler, Al Jazeera, Mae Sai, Thailand.